Hi, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. I'm sitting in a 2026 Porsche Cayenne, and in this video I'm going to show you the different features of the new digital dash that came out in 2025. So you can see the tachometer is now part of the digital, it's no longer analog. With that, we get some adjustments, several different screens we can scroll through, and I'll show you how to do that. We use this outer button on the steering wheel here to select which of the three areas that we want to change. Once they're highlighted, you can see the right one here is we use the scroll to scroll through some different screens. You can see the different ones that are available. In some of these, if you push the button, the scroll button, we get into a deeper menu. Here you can change the stations right from the steering wheel. Very convenient. Use the back button to back out of that, and then again scroll through there. Using this outer button, I can also then select the left hand side. You can see it's highlighted in blue, and I can scroll through a few different things here. The G-force meter, speed limit signs if they were available, and back here we have the tire pressure. This will also automatically come up if it senses that you have a low tire and that. So if I select the center, the tachometer here, we can go through several different screens. We'll first go to the traditional 5-dial screen derived from the original 911 and that. You have various engine information, your battery volts, your speed limit, your oil pressure and temperature, and then your coolant temperature over here on the right. Scrolling using the scroll button again, scroll down, you get the 3-dial. Here we have an interesting screen that shows you the car information over here on the right, but anything you do here in the middle, it will show you cars around you. It will also show you when you brake or use the turn signal. If we scroll down again, we get to the next screen, which is actually the speed limit on the left, your engine, your vehicle information on the right, and then a small map in the middle. If I scroll down again, we get a full map, and then we still have the miles per hour showing up here. One more screen that's been added. We now have kind of a minimalist screen. All you see there is the the miles per hour. Of course, you've got your range down here for your gas, but that's kind of an interesting new screen as well. So that's how to use the various screens here and how to cycle through them. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. You can either call or text me. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.